There are titles, places, and grades in many social and professional circumstances that command respect through earned status. Should you, however, blindly respect your instructors, bosses, or even your parents? What if those people aren't behaving appropriately? What if they use their position to their advantage? So, here's the deal. Respect should not be based on one's age or status, rather, it should be based on how one conducts themselves, their attitude toward others, and their actions. Respect means giving careful respect to another person's words, feelings, thoughts, ideas, wishes, or needs. We all want to be respected by others, but respect must be earned. Learning how to acquire respect from others should be a priority if you want to be happy and successful. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, there is this 30-day program that's designed to teach you a unique meditation technique that took people from $0 to $1 million and start their online business. If interested, the link will be down in the description. Now, let's start the video. 1. Follow through on what you say. Nobody appreciates a dishonest or untrustworthy individual. A well-respected person is one that communicates honestly and can be relied on to deliver on their promises. This is by far the most crucial step you can take to begin garnering respect. If you used to take commitments lightly, stop doing so. Make good on your commitments. Call when you say you would call, complete assignments on time, and keep your word. If you are unable to keep a pledge for any reason, make sure you confront it and make amends. 2. Not waste other people's time. People will respect your time if you respect theirs. This includes avoiding being late for appointments, not wasting time in meetings discussing irrelevant topics, getting to the point quickly, bringing up difficulties right away, being concise. Making it simpler for others to make decisions, especially when they are busier than you, is also important. 3. Do not diss others. It is not appropriate to badmouth somebody in a business or social situation. You're not going to get any respect by doing this. If you are dissatisfied with someone or what they are doing, talk to them and try to work things out. Don't gossip about them behind their backs. This is the type of behavior that encourages rumor and criticism. It not only reflects poorly on you as a person, but it also harms the other party, whether you are aware of it or not. So, when communicating with others, be truthful and open. Always act as if the person you're speaking with is there next to you. 4. Stop apologizing for no reason, no matter what. Saying sorry all the time without thinking about it doesn't win much respect. Apologies have their time and place. When you make a mistake that affects others, you apologize to them. But please, quit using the word sorry for everything. 5. Speak up for what you believe in. Have you ever met someone who merely nods their head and appears to agree with everything you say? You can tell they're not paying attention to what you're saying. It becomes useless after a while since they say yes to everything. Those who gently disagree and speak up for themselves are more respected than those who simply repeat what others say. It is critical to have your own thoughts. Don't be scared to speak out in support of what you believe in. At the same time, be certain that you do so in a respectful manner. 6. Refrain from being overly nice. Distinguish kindness from the need to continuously do things for others. Trying to please everyone will not get you very far. If you want to be respected, you should avoid becoming a pushover. Not to mention, if you are overly pleasant to everyone all of the time, some people may suspect you are not genuine. Say no if you don't want to do something. If you have a different point of view and believe in your heart that you are correct, express it. Being assertive in a polite, courteous, and respectful manner will earn you the respect of people, even if you disagree with them. 7. Speak up when you are mistreated. Don't just accept it when someone mistreats or takes advantage of you. Maintain a professional and polite demeanor, but do not remain silent. It is not always simple to speak out for oneself, which is why it is a sign of a person deserving of respect. 8. Speak up for someone else. Do you ignore injustice in your surroundings in order to avoid confrontation? Sometimes you have no option, but there are occasions when you must advocate for others, especially when they are unable to advocate for themselves. Don't be scared to confront them once in a while, as long as you do so diplomatically. 9. Be your true self. It is preferable to be an original version of oneself rather than an exact replica of someone else. Individuals who are unique are respected. Too many people try too hard to be someone they are not, and as a result, they lack a sense of identity. Learn about who you are and what you stand for. More people who are genuine to themselves, rather than clones of each other, are needed in the world. 10. Anticipate others' needs. Perform acts of kindness for others without being asked. This demonstrates that you are a considerate person, and it makes others look you favorably. If you know your partner is going to have a difficult day at work, tidy the house and prepare dinner for them. Taking a small step to make someone's day simpler will gain you respect. 11. Have faith in your ideas. Don't throw away your ideas, even if they appear amusing, strange, or unconventional. Embrace your innovation and see your ideas through. If you do this, you will do something fantastic, and people will be amazed at how you achieved it. The problem is that many individuals have fantastic ideas, but most of them are hesitant to follow through and put them into action because they seem too far-fetched. 12. Show concern for others. Learning empathy skills is a key step toward respecting others and becoming respected yourself. Pay attention to your surroundings and the people around you, whether at home, school, or work. Make yourself available for emotional support if it is needed. Genuinely caring about others demonstrates that you are not only concerned with oneself, but also have the emotional capacity to pay attention and provide assistance when needed. 13. Be good at what you do. Everyone admires competent workers, especially those who consistently deliver their finest work. You may be new to your field, but it doesn't mean you aren't deserving of respect. It's all about starting small and working your way up. You establish yourself and earn the respect of people by improving and acquiring experience. It won't happen overnight, but it will ultimately acquire people's respect. 14. Provide real value. If you can find methods to add value to others, whether you're part of a community, a firm, or a group of friends, you'll be recognized and appreciated. Value can take various shapes, but in the end, it all boils down to providing something that can help solve an issue. People will respect you if you develop something of value. 15. Offer to help, even if it isn't necessary. Volunteer your abilities and efforts to projects that require assistance if you want to be respected and dependable. Doing good is a terrific way to acquire respect, whether you aid family, friends, or your community. Others will notice your contributions, which will boost their view of you. Volunteer to do things that need to be done, not only those that you are good at. 16. Control your emotions. Make an effort to control your immediate reactions to things that elicit strong emotions in you, whether they are positive or negative. It's fine to be yourself and express passion, but keep in mind that well-respected people understand the difference between responding and reacting. The latter is a bad habit. 17. Be considerate of others. If you want to be respected, you must first respect others. Don't treat someone differently because of how they appear, where they come from, or their different point of view. We're all the same underlying it all. We all want to be respected and recognized. To summarize, how you treat others is a direct mirror of how you treat yourself. In other words, genuine respect is earned by demonstrating genuine respect. It is a one-way street. What are your thoughts? Which of the points on this list speaks to you the most? Do you have any additional suggestions for how to gain respect? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so that we may continue to make them. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also, make sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for tuning in.